Hello, Chef here. What do we have here? This is a beautiful ham bone, and I'm going to show you how to make ham bone soup real quickly here. So I've got 1 onion, about 10 cloves of garlic, a bay leaf, some thyme, and we're going to get this baby simmering along with some black beans. These have been soaked, of course. So real quickly here, first the onion, and it's fine to do your onion kind of a rough chop. Doesn't need to be a perfect dice, just like this. Okay, the onions are getting brown, the bay leaf goes in. I've got about a tablespoon of thyme. I'm also putting some basil in there as well. Okay. And some black pepper. Ham bone goes in. In this recipe, I like to use a few drops of liquid smoke. Gives it a nice smoky flavor. Really good stuff. Black beans go in all at once, just like this. And then we're going to be adding about 6 cups of chicken stock. Okay, I've added my chicken stock, and I'm adding 8 ounces of tomato sauce. There we go. At this point, we let it simmer for quite a long time to get those beans tender. Soup is simmering. The soup, after a few hours, you know it's done when the beans are soft. The soup is ready. At this point, we remove the bone, which has a lot of meat on it still. Oh yeah. So we'll peel some of that meat off. You know the flavor's been released when the knuckle comes off like this. All of the flavor and all the nutrients are pretty much in the liquid of the soup right now. Okay, so you can see how nice and thick this is. It's looking really good. One thing I want to recommend to you is that you find the bay leaf. Remove that bay leaf. That's not edible. We're going to puree this soup with the immersion blender. We're going to add a little bit of water as needed. Okay? Wow. The finished soup. Here we go. 2, 4, 6 ounces. Very nice. A little bit of this ham garnish. Okay, we're going to be adding some of these wild chives. Yeah. As well as a touch of sour cream. And the last thing we got is this magical New Mexico powder, just to spice it up a bit. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. Knife is very, very sharp. Okay, it's not even puncturing my thumb here. Okay, really, really nice. So if you're looking for the good stuff, right there, your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a great day. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers. So it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality. Stunning butcher block, made to order and shipped direct to you. Free shipping, no tax, you'll love it.